So, you're planning a trip between two of Thailand's absolute gems, Pattaya and Hua Hin. Well, you've come to the right place. In this explainer, we are going to break down everything you need to know to get from one of these awesome beach towns to the other. Let's get right into it. The big question, right? What's actually the best way to make the trip? Should you be looking for the cheapest ticket, the fastest ride, or maybe something with a bit more comfort? We're going to give you all the details so you can pick the perfect option for you. First things first, let's talk about the journey itself. Before we start comparing buses and taxis, let's just get a feel for what this trip actually involves. Okay, so we're talking about a road trip that's roughly 200 kilometers. It connects the, let's say, high-energy vibes of Pattaya with the more laid-back, classic resort feel of Hua Hin. And here's a key thing to know. There's no direct train or ferry, so your options, they're all on wheels. All right, now for the good stuff. Comparing your travel options. Let's break down the different ways you can make this trip and see how they really stack up against each other. If your number one priority is saving some cash, get this. You can make this trip for as little as $15 US. I mean, for a journey this long, that is an incredibly budget-friendly price. But what if time is what you value most? Well, the fastest options out there can get you to your destination in about 4 hours. And right there, that's the classic traveler's dilemma, isn't it? Do you save time or do you save money? So this table lays it all out pretty clearly. You've got the bus, which is by far the cheapest option at just over 15 bucks, but it's also the longest at about 5.5 hours. Then there's the van, which shaves off about 30 minutes for a few extra dollars. And finally, you've got the private taxi. It's the most expensive for sure, but you get that convenient door-to-door service. Now let's zoom in on one of these options, the VIP bus. The one from Roozer & Coach is, hands down, the most popular and most reviewed choice. So it's worth taking a closer look at what that experience is really like. So why do so many people pick this bus? It's pretty simple, actually. It just hits that perfect sweet spot. It's super cheap, but you're not getting just a basic local bus. That VIP 24 class promises a certain level of comfort. The question is, does it actually deliver? Okay, and this is where things get really interesting. We've dug through more than 700 customer reviews to get you the real story, the good, the bad, and everything in between. And wow, just look at that. An average rating of 4.6 out of 5 from that many reviews is genuinely amazing. You've got a whopping 93% of travelers giving it either 4 or 5 stars. So the main takeaway here is pretty clear. Most people have a really positive experience. But you know, it's not perfect. On the good side, people consistently talk about the comfy seats, the smooth ride, and just the amazing value for money. But on the other side, a few warnings pop up over and over again. The number one complaint, the air conditioning is aggressive. Seriously, people say it's like a freezer. Other things to know are that the equipment can be a bit old, so no USB ports or Wi-Fi, and be aware of extra fees for luggage and the occasional, smelly toilet. Here's a perfect example of what people love. Nolan T says, very smooth, comfortable journey, great value for money, I use every time. That really sums up what the happy majority feels. And then you have this. This one's a little funny, but it paints a very vivid picture of that famous aircon. Oliver E. writes, next time don't forget anorak, hat, scarf, and gloves. 5 hours in the cool room. So yeah, they're not kidding about it being cold. So after all that, how do you actually decide what's right for you? Let's pull it all together and figure out which trip matches your personal travel style. Look, it really boils down to this. If you're watching every single penny, the VIP bus is an absolute no-brainer. If you want maximum convenience, door-to-door, no-fuss service, then a private taxi is your best bet. And if you want something in the middle, the van is a great balanced choice. But the most important pro tip of all, if you take the bus, please bring a jacket. So at the end of the day, the choice is yours. It really is that classic travel trade-off. Are you looking to save as much as you can for all the fun you're gonna have in Hua Hin? Or are you willing to spend a little more for some extra convenience and, some warmth? Whatever you choose, now you know exactly what to expect. Happy travels!